I'm locked up, they won't let me out.
We've been talking about doing challenges.
They won't let me out. Oh.
Get out the frame.
Get with it, okay?
I really like what you've done to me. I have no clue what it is you do, but all I know is I be loving you. I really like what you've done to me.
What's up, Favela Fam? Okay, we'll probably redo that later, but I'm in a rush because right now I'm about to go upstairs and I'm about to cuff Eddie because he doesn't know this, but we are about to do a 24-hour handcuff challenge. I bought these like 3 weeks ago, and yep, we're about to do it. So, what? Crap, hold on. He came down here and interrupted me. So, oh God.
We have to make food today. Ow.
How do I do it to myself? Do it. Do it to me. Not this way.
It's gonna be tight.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I can't.
So here we are now.
I can't walk around like this.
The time is, what's your phone say?
This is my bucket.
The time is now.
Hold up.
5. Wait, what time is it?
5:22. You like the background?
5:25.
5:25.
Okay, so we will.
Ow!
Hold on, our room's dirty. Excuse it. We will be cuffed until 5:25. I don't care. We will be cuffed until 5:25 tomorrow.
Okay.
I am sorry that I did this to you, and I love you. Give me a kiss, baby. Give me a kiss. So we'll be documenting random times. I don't care.
Why would you get my right hand out of all hands?
Because so you can drive. Alright, bye.
Right, go.
Hasn't even been 2 freaking seconds and he's mad.
I don't want to do this no more. It's not funny. It's really not funny.
It is funny.
Here, you gotta keep the keys for us. We're gonna give the keys to Eddie's mom.
Okay. I got him.
5:25 tomorrow.
See ya.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, Favela Fam. I didn't introduce myself. How we introduce it?
What's up, Favela Fam?
Like that.
Say
What's
it.
up, Favela Fam? So, she's lucky I drive my left hand, right? I told her I had to take a shower today. I have a lot of stuff to do. And
No,
this is
he doesn't.
This is the day she decides to lock us up. Because we've been talking.
I'm locked up, they won't let me out.
We've been talking about doing challenges.
They won't let me out. Oh.
Been looking at other challenges. And I said, hey, let's wait for this challenge. So why didn't you wait?
Because Favela Fam wanted it, so I gave it to him.
Okay.
Favela Fam saying,
We want 24-hour handcuff challenge.
I said, okay. 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Lady.
Okay, sorry. Here we go. Let's go. Say, let's go.
Let's go, man.
Okay, see you guys when we get to our next destination. Breakdown.
Ow. So, wait, can I talk?
Turn down, yeah.
Okay, Favela Fam, quick little update. We're doing this without my dad knowing.
I mean, he gonna find out eventually, but,
Right, but
he was gonna be mad if we was driving with handcuffs on.
Right. Somebody doesn't think that's that bad.
I seen De'Ara and Ken do it, and both of them did it. So I know we can do
What do you
it.
mean both of them did?
Like they both switched off, and then like Ken had to like lean over so that De'Ara could drive.
Look where the camera's at. Is it getting both?
Sure it is. Okay, bye. You always mess up my freaking transition things.
Favela Fam, tell her to take these glasses off.
Oh, sorry. We had a long night at the club.
See, if you hold my hand, you don't look bad.
Yeah, I agree. I don't care if you don't. You care?
I care because you don't care because you have glasses on.
You say what? First, we're going to get pasta.
Lady, stop holding my arm.
Next, ragu sauce.
No, ragu. Right here, right here. This is the meat one.
At this moment, we had ran into 2 Jewel employees.
Oh, there's the cheese. What is that? So we're trying to use mushrooms. That's all, right? Just one? Yeah. You said you have to be setting up for Joel. That's it.
What?
What you doing?
It keeps going that way.
You see how she yanked it?
Okay, follow.
Whoa.
Because you keep pulling because you're not anywhere.
I really don't know where we're going now.
Why? Why today?
These are my mother-in-law's glasses. Get them.
Get out the frame.
Get it. Get with it, okay?
Ow. Where's the cheese?
Now, the meat. We didn't get cheese. Oh. Next up, tortillas.
Right here. Because she hasn't been keeping up with how she.
Did you know they had jalapeno Doritos?
Jalapeno.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, say you're done.
Are we done?
Alright, we're done now. Time to check out. Alright, that was one successful trip if you ask me. You know,
This was the worst day. We went peak, you know, like food time. So everybody's looking at us. I'm trying to drive a cart.
what is he doing?
What? I'm trying to drive a cart and...
First of all, nobody said anything to us, which was great.
Okay, nobody has to say anything, but we can, people look.
That's fine, they let them look.
And they're probably like, why are these 2 people handcuffed? Either they're A, escapees, or B, YouTubers.
They don't even, first of all, who escapes like this? Anyway.
Man. Successful though.
Successful. We did run into a couple of workers a couple of times, but it was fine. We survived it. It was not that bad. And yeah, I think we're doing pretty good, okay? Now the real challenge is when Eddie has to take a shower.
Yeah, because we're only like, what, an hour in right now?
Not even. Max, what time is it?
It is 6:06.
So we're like 45 minutes in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So...
Yeah. We'll keep you guys posted. We'll check in once every hour, okay? How's that sound? Okay, that sounds good. Okay. Except for when we're sleeping, we can't do that.
I'll check in.
Okay, love you guys. Give them a kiss.
Oh, give you a kiss?
Give them a kiss.
I don't give kisses out to anybody else but you, so...
Okay, sorry.
Sorry.
Well, I'll blow you an air kiss. Alright, this is Cooking with Always and Favela. Welcome to this segment
Handcuff
of the show.
edition.
Handcuff edition. Popo locked us up. Won't let us out edition.
I can pour it with this hand.
Okay.
Just a little bit, not a lot.
Okay.
What are you making today, lady?
Carne de asada. No, that's not what this is. Taquitos con masa chole.
Yep, that's it. Basic day today.
Yeah,
That's good.
that's good.
I like it.
You gotta rinse that off.
What?
Me. Arby's. We have the meats.
Yeah, we got another plate.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Sound like mac and cheese.
Do it really?
Yeah.
Pussy.
You're awesome.
Now put it in.
Okay. Cooking the chicken.
It's not chicken, it's pork.
I mean pork. Cooking the piggy. Okay, so
What are we at now? It's 7:16. Hold up.
7:16.
Can you guys see that? Hold up.
No, click it. Sorry guys.
7:16.
So, this is our first hourly check-in. Oh, sorry, hold on.
It's I mean, we're not doing nothing right now, so it's not bad.
Yeah, we just
but
chilling and watching TV. As you can see, like, look at my hair. We weren't prepared to do this today, but that's the whole point of the challenge.
I was waiting for her to go to the store, and I came downstairs. I'm like, why is she taking so long? We were talking about video ideas, and
This just happened. Look at that painting I got for us.
for my birthday.
For his birthday. Ooh. But yeah, we're doing great.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
I was about to say something.
What was you finna say? Okay. Well, we'll keep on checking in until we go to sleep.
Favela Fam, we're thinking about doing a
Mukbang.
or mukbang, whatever it's called.
However you pronounce
however
it,
you
we don't know
pronounce
how
it.
to pronounce it.
But we want to see if you guys have ideas like what we should be eating, and give us questions.
Yeah. Comment down below questions that you want us to answer in the mukbang.
Yes. Questions or topics you want us to talk about.
Yep.
Anything.
Yep. Because we're going to do it for you. Coming soon. Okay?
Very soon, because we love to eat.
Yes. Alright, so we'll see you during the next check-in.
Next hour.
Check-in number
Numero
2. We just ate.
It's not really getting that much easier.
Yeah. We had to pee for the first time. Sorry. We had to pee for the first time.
Today.
No. So that was okay, I guess. I don't know. We don't really have nothing else to say.
The good thing, I will say this, is it's Sunday.
Yeah.
So we did we went garage sale like hunting, and we did all of that stuff yesterday. So today is like chill. The worst thing we had to do was probably go to the store and then eat. We got some good stuff from garage sale though.
Yes, we did. I got a Harvard little thingy thing.
I don't know where it's at.
Yeah,
and I got this real nice like old French Mickey Mouse like poster.
It's like a vintage one.
I like
So
it.
if y'all want to buy it, $3,000. That's the price. Sorry.
I'm trying to see if we have any updates. Favela Fam.
Oh, Favela Fam, we start work on Tuesday.
We start work Tuesday. Well, no, we start orientation for our work on Tuesday.
Yeah, but basically we start work because that's when we start getting paid.
We will be working at Menards.
Oh, I was trying to give it a drum
Okay,
roll.
go ahead.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Menards.
But
and
yeah,
live in Vernon Hills, in case any of you guys want to come visit us.
that's
But
where David Dobrik is from, by the way.
so if David Dobrik wants to come and buy stuff,
We got you, okay? We'll check you out.
meet me in the gravel aisle. But
yeah, that's really it. Okay, check-in number 3.
It's now
9:26. Hold on, I touch it.
9:27.
So we're a little late. It's because we was upstairs watching TV.
Yeah, you know.
But we're still going strong.
We did have a tussle with my brother, so we got some battle scars. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can still see it. Look at that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But
I don't know if we're gonna survive all through the night. I'm gonna be honest with Favela Fam.
I'm kind of done with this already.
Me too.
Because I sleep crazy.
Would y'all be mad if we stopped?
I think they would.
I don't think they
We
would.
gotta do it. We're gonna keep it on just for you guys.
I want to take it off.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to too, but like, it's a challenge.
It is a challenge, but like, I'm over it. Like, this is like one of those challenges that's like unnecessary. You know, that's like, okay, we did it for a couple hours. Don't y'all understand? I look ugly. Look, I was eating. Can you see? I was eating game.
You eating like 2
popsicles. I ate 2 popsicles. Yeah, the bomb pops. I want a Minion one. Have y'all ever had those Minion character popsicles? And it's like strawberry banana flavored. Let me just put y'all on real quick, okay? Because delicious. It is so good. Did you try it?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you need to try it. I know, I'm just looking more and more rough as the video progresses. Don't care.
I still gotta take a shower.
That's another problem. I'm just gonna stand there while he takes a shower and read my book, I guess.
I take long showers.
I know. Whatever, I'll get a lot of my book read.
Well.
Alright, Favela Fam, I think that's the last check-in for the night.
Maybe one before we go to sleep. I don't know, depending on what time we go to sleep. But at this point, I'm trying to go to sleep.
I'm trying to go to sleep.
So we can wake up already.
Yeah. Well, alright, Favela Fam. We'll document more tomorrow. Love you. Somebody had to shower tonight. Just had to shower. So.
You talking smack?
Now I gotta sit here and read my book. Shower. Come on, boy. And y'all heard him before. He don't take quick showers. So I'm gonna just start whistling. Okay, Favela Fam.
This was not good. Well, it's like 10:52. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 10:52. I didn't really get enough sleep. We're supposed to start this workout routine today, so
I'm so tired.
it's not working. We got how many hours? 2,
6? No, 8.
7.
7.
7 hours because we started at 5, right? 5:22. 7 more hours, and we're out. Why you have it crossed like that?
You got it crossed.
I think I tightened them. Yeah, I definitely tightened them over when we were asleep. But
well, hourly check-ins.
now we can start them because we finally woke up.
Okay, Favela Fam, see you in an
hour. Alright, Favela Fam, so this is getting a little much now, you know?
Stop!
Sorry. I'm just waiting here now.
You'll be fine. Fine. Fine, I tell you, fine.
See, she had so much to say yesterday when I took my shower. Good thing, but the good thing is she doesn't take long showers. I take like 45 minutes, an hour shower. She's in and out. I don't even know if she watches it, so to be honest.
Shut up.
But I can't even tell you the time because one hand is grabbing the tripod and one hand is kind of taking a shower right now. But what time is it? Like
12.
12?
Yeah.
It's like 12 o'clock right now. So we got 5 hours to go. 5 hours to go. We're
Let's go
done.
to the mall.
And then we're going to the mall.
Let's go to the mall. Let's go to the mall.
Hit it.
Let's go to the mall. Let's go to the
All right,
mall.
Favela Fam. We'll check in later with you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. The time is 2:14.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 2:14.
Yeah.
Well, we got 3 hours left.
Yeah.
I
I don't know. I
You know
think
what
I'm gonna
sucks
take
about-
a nap.
Yeah, but you know what sucks about this is you can't loosen cuffs like
Once you
once
stay
they're
tight.
on, because hers aren't that tight. Actually, you got goosebumps. But hers aren't that tight because her wrist isn't that big. But mine
And the
is.
kitchen wrist twisted like a stir fry.
Look at.
The kitchen wrist.
I have no more little links to put.
Oh my gosh.
You know.
I might take a nap.
And I might just lay there because I
Yeah.
can't really do nothing right
Yeah,
now.
because you gotta come with me.
I'm stuck with you.
So, at this point, we're miserable.
Yeah, but
I don't want to do it anymore.
we'll get them off right around dinner time, so we can eat pretty good.
Yeah, but what was I about to do?
Mm.
Say? Oh, I think that the next time we'll talk is when we're taking them off.
Well,
Agree?
yeah, if you take a nap, then
Yeah.
that's about it.
Probably, because I'm tired. But okay, guys, then till next time.
It's gonna come out as working in the video. Go get us! Stop!
Shut up!
Mama, how can you say that?
Mom, I'm trying to help them out.
Say it, Max.
Shut up!
Okay, so day 502, and we're it's that time, right?
So funny.
Is that time?
Max, what time is it?
It is
24.
26.
26?
Yes.
26?
Check it. Check in your phone.
That's 26.
You check.
Can you see it?
Can you see it? Why are you tapping that?
to keep it awake.
Oh.
5:26. I hope you can see it.
I hope you can too, because if you can't, we're gonna have to edit that out. Alright.
So, Mama!
When I leave the houses for them dollars.
You need to unlock this thing for me, please. They're right there.
Okay, she's gonna unlock us.
What are you doing?
She don't want to be in it.
You need some cheese in.
Why do you unlock Kobe first?
Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Look at how tight mine is.
You know.
You did that to yourself, buddy boy.
In my slips. No, that's this side.
You're free.
No, I'm not. I'm still locked.
All right.
No,
This is
stop.
what's really
Come on.
There you go.
Now you take it for another 24 hours.
Come on, and you didn't even put them on right, lady.
Actually leave it.
That's
Can you
it for
take it
today.
off, please?
No.
Mom, I will chase you.
You can't touch me. Don't let my shortness fool you, boy.
What if I did that to you for a whole 24 hours?
I would not. I would be so mad. No, don't comment down below.
There you go.
Look at him.
You're a crybaby.
that.
You
That's
cried
just
this
for
whole
right now.
time.
Abuse. 2018.
How did you like it?
I didn't really like it. Oh, I just locked myself.
First question. Wait, what's the question?
I don't know, you're asking.
Okay. First question. What did you think of the whole 24-hour locked up experience?
I would never do it again.
Is it because you don't enjoy it or because you hate Kobe?
It's because I hate Kobe. I was locked up with her for 24 hours. You know how long 24 hours is? Stay awake for 24 hours and then keep something near you for 24 hours. Take a shower with it. Everything.
Okay. Well, that was it, Favela Fam.
I'm playing.
Okay.
The hardest part was me not being able to use my right hand. Like,
The hardest part was showering.
It wasn't that bad.
Okay, well, Favela Fam, we hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
Comment down below if you want to see a part 2.
Those.
Okay. And then we'll put a little twist on it if we do a part 2, okay?
Oh, maybe we should do like...
No, don't say it. Don't say it. Okay. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, well, over and out from Always in Favela.